How to download CapCut on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and then search for CapCut on the search bar. Now tap on install to download the application on your device. Wait until it gets installed, then tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the application. As a tap on the application and it will lead you to home page, make sure you agree and continue to the terms of service and privacy policy. So select on agree and continue, and you can fill out this information or you can even skip it. Here I'm gonna skip it, and there you go, you can create new project and edit them. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.